Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So up till now I have not done any freehand nail art tutorial. So this video is going to be special as I will start it from this video onwards. I will start with nail art brush. No, I am not telling you to buy brushes right away. Well, DIY rocks. As long as you have stuff at home that you can use for nail art, you don't need to buy things. I will give the links of the DIY nail art tools video and the DIY paper stencils video right up here. Make sure you check them if you already haven't. Once you become more or less an expert and want to invest your time and passion in nail art, then only you can go ahead and buy yourself brushes and tools. So today not only I will show you how to make your own thin nail art brush, but also how to make different strokes and how to practice before you can actually draw on your nails. So that was all for today. I hope you liked this video as much as I liked making it. I am learning so many new things with you guys and I will be happy to make more such videos for you. So I will be back next week where I will start off with nail art. So make sure you stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, like this video, give your feedbacks, follow me everywhere on social media. Have a great week ahead. Take care and bye.